In this video, we're going to learn about the bridge and how to install it properly. The bridge was designed to replace the drum support when the ladder routes are too narrow for the motor to fit. For instance, if your ladder routes are less than 8.5 inches for an A motor or less than 9.75 inches for a B motor, a bridge is needed. Now, when installing your motor, ensure that the curved part of the motor is over the punch. This ensures enough space for the ladder to make it through the punch and past the motor. As we described in the previous videos, always ensure that your motor is far back to the headrail as possible. This will prevent any potential pinching as the ladder comes through that front punch. Once your motor is installed, the next step is to insert your ladder to the slide. Now that your ladder has been inserted into the slide, the next step is to insert the bridge. The bridge will slide underneath the ladder like so. Once the bridge is under the ladder, you'll take the slide and insert through the grooves of the bridge. Holding the slide and the bridge together, you'll then twist your bridge into place and under the headrail lip, like so. Now your bridge is installed.